What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to be going ahead and exposing successful dropshipping stores. I'm going to show you their products, I'm going to show you their sites, their ads, everything that you need to know in order to learn what's working right now, what type of products are doing well during Q4, and how those stores are actually, being super profitable and being successful, right? So with that being said, let's go right in. Alright guys, so the first store that I'm going to show you is doing really well right now. There's only a product that's very current now that winter is coming. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see on my screen, they're selling this knitted chunky blanket. It's a very seasonal product given the fact that a lot of people are going to be cold during this winter season. This is the perfect product. Not just that, now that people are just staying home, locked up, a lot of people are just sitting on the couch, being a couch potato and watching TV. So this can be a really good addition to that. So they're selling it for $49.99. I'm not sure if they're super profitable because I did some research about this product and you cannot really find it for less than $30 shipped. I'm kind of confused to why their margin is so thin. Other than that, if you look at their ad that they're running right here, that's their Facebook ad that's actually currently live. And as you can see, it has 18,000 people reacting to it, 4,000 people commenting. And if you go through and then see the most recent one, so as you can see, the most recent one, like 6 hours ago, 4 hours ago, and a lot of people are commenting and most of them are positive. People are just saying that I just ordered mine, I ordered 3 of them. As you can see, a lot of people are ordering tons of them. And the reason why, like I mentioned, is one, holidays coming up. This can also be a really good gift to your friends, family, whatever. So people are not just buying it for themselves, but also buying it to give to other people. So if you come to their site, they build a one product store. They kind of have other products also to upsell, which is really smart. So if you have a product that's working really well for you should always try to find other products that complement it so they can increase your average order value, meaning you can make more money per customer, which is always great. So as you can see, they have a one product store layout with an addition of that pillow product, which is kind of similar to the one that they're selling initially. So they're doing pretty well. You go to their ad library right here. They have 220 ads live right now. So no one runs ads unless they're actually making money. And based on their engagement, I'm pretty sure they're spending over $1,000 a day on ads. So that tells you that this store is cashing out. The second store that I'm going to show you is more of a niche store, which I'm a big fan of. If you have a product that's working really well for you, I always recommend to build a niche store around it, in which they did. They currently are testing a bunch of different products. So let me show you exactly what product I'm talking about. You probably have seen it because this ad has been going viral. They're spending a lot of money on it. That has millions of views. So let me show you real quick what this exact product is. So if you come here, this is the exact ad that they're running. It has tons of engagement, over 10,000 people reacting to it. As you can see, this product is a table lamp. They're selling for actually a lot of money, and their margin, I actually looked up this product. You can get this exact product shipped for around $60. Guess how much they're selling it for? So if you go to their site, they have a pretty cool looking site. I highly, recommend building something like this if you have a niche store. So if you go to that exact product that they're running, selling it for $199, so they have around $100 profit margin. So that's pretty good. And as you can see, they have a really good built out page. Go to the home. The reason why this is working so well right now is, as always, people love buying furniture, buying cool stuff for their house. And given the fact that a lot of people are staying in their house right now, they want to have something different, some change in their house, because they're kind of bored at looking at, the same thing over and over again since they have to stay there every day. So more people are buying more decorative stuff. I've seen a lot of lighting products go viral, and all those different products are doing really well. And that's one of the main reasons why it's doing that. All right, guys, so the third and last store that I'm going to show you that's actually doing really good right now is this store right here. Currently selling a fluffy blanket that has rainbows, a bunch of different colors. They're selling it for $39.99, and this ad, the ad that they're running, is going insane. So if we look over here on their Facebook ad, as you can see, it has 61,000 people reacting to this. So to be able to get that, you have to spend a good amount of money on Facebook ads. And obviously you're not going to spend money on ads unless you're super profitable. It has 9.3 thousand comments, tons of shares. People are going crazy about this, and a lot of people are saying, I need this, I want this, tagging their friend, family, which is a really good sign that the product is working. And if you go to their ad library, they're also running a bunch of different ads. One thing that you should learn from all these 3 stores that I showed you today is products that can be gifted during the holiday season, and also products that people can actually use in their house. Given the fact that a lot of people are stuck in their house, it is going to be a really good product for you to go out there and sell and build a store around. So with that being said, if you got some value out of this video, all I ask from you is to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Ask me any questions that you have, whether it's for a future video, whatever it is, go ahead and leave it in the comment. And the last thing that I'm gonna ask you to do is go ahead and smash that subscribe button to get crazy value-packed videos every single week. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.